Hi, my name is Renu Anderson. Everybody call me Ray. I'm the proud owner of Thai Palace restaurant in Windsor, Ontario. We're so proud that we received the Thai Select Class 6 from the Thai government just because we meet the Thai government standard. At Thai Palace, we use ingredients from Thailand, such as like all the sauce and the herb and spice. And also we carry local product from around the area, also local wines and beer. Besides, we use cooking ingredients from Thailand. We also cooking with the techniques and everything that we cook in Thailand. At Thai Palace, the most popular dish that you have to try is the pad thai. So the pad thai is the rice noodles that with the tamarind sauce, and like it's the best dish that you have to try. When you want to go home and cook with your family, we have a bottle of sauce. All the sauce that in our menus, you can bring home with you, such as like red curry sauce, pad thai sauce, peanut sauce is the best. We would like to invite you, if you come down to Windsor, Ontario, or around the area, visit like wineries and every place around here. And welcome to Thai Palace, and see you soon.